Three AI agents are dominating every conversation about autonomous AI right now. Manus, acquired by Meta for $2 billion, cloud-based, polished. OpenClaw, 355,000 GitHub stars. Self-hosted, runs 24/7 on Telegram. Hermes, launched February 2026, most used agent in the world on OpenRouter. I have spent time with all three. The honest answer: none of them is clearly the best. They are built for completely different use cases. Today, the plain English breakdown of which one actually fits your situation. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha. Let us get into it. Before comparing features, the one distinction that organizes everything: Manus, session-based task executor. You open it, give it a complex task, it works through it, delivers the result. Does not run when you are not there. OpenClaw, persistent, always on agent. You set it up once, define what it should do and when, runs on schedules, on conditions while you sleep. You do not start anything, it starts itself. Hermes, self-improving learning agent, runs on your server, takes orders from messaging apps, builds reusable skills from every session, does not just remember facts, learns how to work better over time. Choosing the wrong category is why most people feel like their agent is not working. Manus, acquired by Meta for $2 billion. Cloud based, free plan plus paid from $20 a month. Runs in a sandboxed Ubuntu environment with a real browser, real terminal, and real files. Gaia benchmark, hardest test for general purpose AI agents. Manus scores 86.5. OpenAI operator, cloud computer, use, Gemini, deep research, all score lower. March 2026, web app builder, describe web app, Manus builds it. Database, Stripe, SEO, working and deployed. Where Manus wins: deep research, visiting many websites and synthesizing findings. Reports, spreadsheets, documents from live web data. App prototyping, research through deployment in one session. Where Manus falls short: does not run without you. No heartbeat, no scheduled tasks, data privacy. Acquired by Meta, cloud-based, Chinese origin though. Deep research tasks burn thousands of credits, just so you know. OpenClaw source, self-hosted, 355,000 GitHub stars. Runs on your computer or on a virtual server. Connects to Telegram, WhatsApp, Slack, Discord. The thing that makes it different from both Manus and Hermes is the heartbeat. Every 30 minutes, OpenClaw wakes up, reads its standing instructions, checks what needs attention, and acts on it without you asking. My morning briefing: set it up once 3 weeks ago. 7 a.m. every morning, 5 AI news stories to my Telegram without me asking ever again. Where OpenClaw wins: workflows that need to run on a schedule without you starting them. Daily briefings, invoice monitoring, lead follow-up, email triage, 13,000 plus ClawHub skills, maximum control and customization. Where OpenClaw falls short: setup complexity, 8 steps versus 3 for Manus. 469 open security issues on GitHub. Must be managed carefully. Does not learn between sessions. Hermes Agent, launched February 2026. Knows research. Open source MIT license. Free to self-host. One curl command to install 20 platforms. What makes it different? The learning loop. Every session, Hermes reviews what it did, identifies what worked, writes it as a reusable skill. Curator runs every 7 days, prunes unused skills, merges overlaps. OpenClaw remembers facts, Manus remembers nothing between sessions. Hermes learns how to do things better after. After 2 weeks, it knows your workflow patterns. After a month, it feels like it was built specifically for you. Plus, / goal. Give it a multi-session objective, breaks into sub-goals, executes, adjusts when something fails, picks it back up next time. Where Hermes wins. Any workflow you run repeatedly where improvement matters. Long horizon projects through / goal skill. Developers who want model agnostic control with any provider, where Hermes falls short. Smaller skills ecosystem than OpenClaw. Heartbeat equivalent is less mature. Rougher beginner experience. More for developers. 6 categories. Honest winner for each. Best for beginners, Manus. 3 steps, no setup. Best for 24/7 automation without you, OpenClaw. The heartbeat is unique. Best for deep research and complex one session tasks, Manus. Gaia, 86.5%. Best for an agent that improves over time, Hermes. Nothing else has the learning loop. Best for privacy and data ownership, OpenClaw or Hermes. Your machine, your control. Best for developers who want maximum customization, Hermes for modularity, OpenClaw for ecosystem. Power users, run all 3. OpenClaw for daily heartbeat, Manus for complex one-off tasks, Hermes for recurring workflows that improve. They do not conflict. They complete each other. New to agents, start with Manus. Free plan, 3 steps, immediate results. Already on OpenClaw, try Hermes alongside it. One curl command, different strengths. Want 24/7 automation? OpenClaw. Set up the heartbeat, define standing instructions, and let it run. Developer wanting the most advanced self-improving agent, go for Hermes. Run it daily for 2 weeks. Manus, OpenClaw, Hermes. 3 agents, 3 different jobs. Manus, cloud-based, polished, best for deep research and complex one-session tasks. OpenClaw, self-hosted, always on, best for heartbeat, automation, and Telegram control. Hermes, self-improving, learning loop, best for recurring workflows that get better over time. Most power users end up using more than one. Start with the one that fits your most urgent need. Then build from there. Which of these 3 are you using right now? Or are you running more than one? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. And if you want to go deeper on all of this, I run a community called AI University where we talk about new AI tools daily in plain English. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Subscribe for more AI videos every single day. See you in the next one.